Now on MailerLite, we have two features that allow us to organize and filter out our contacts. We have groups and we have segments. So what is the difference? So let's go to groups first. So currently I have a group called YouTube subscribers. So groups are basically just categories for my subscribers. So for example, if somebody signs up to my email list on my YouTube channel, I would add them to the YouTube subscribers group. Maybe I have also a sign up form on my website. And if people sign up using this form, then I would put them in a different group. So I would know that those people come from my website and not from my YouTube channel. So I'd probably create a second group called website subscribers. So groups are basically the main categories for your subscribers. Now let's go to segments. Now with segments, we can create dynamic lists of our subscribers based on specific attributes or behaviors. So for example, let's say I want to send out an email to my group of YouTube subscribers, but only to the ones who live in the United States. Now to do that, I would first have to create a new segment. So let's click on Create Segment. Then I'll name the segment YouTube subscribers US and click on Create. And now I have to create filters to filter out the subscribers. So let's create the first one by clicking here. And I'm going to start with groups belongs to YouTube subscribers. Then I'm going to add a second condition for the location they're from. So let's click on Add Condition under the and choose location is, and then look for the United States and click on Save Changes. And now if any of my subscribers match these criteria, they will be shown down here and I'll be able to send an email campaign just to these subscribers.